Welcome back to the Fierce Hot Wheel. Today we're featuring something unique, you could say, something odd, something weird. This is what we call Zoom In, or if you see, it says GoPro on it, Hot Wheel. It was designed by Dmitry Shakhmatov. It was number 4 out of 10 from Experiments series, and as you see what it does, fits perfectly inside. It won't work if you have any barriers around, but what it does, you can put a GoPro right here. Sorry, trying to record and all at the same time put all this together. What you can do is you put a GoPro right here, record, and you see how the cars roll. Perhaps maybe follow some kind of other Hot Wheel. Actually reviewed that a while back ago. I still want to review it was featured from Now and Then. I still want to review the old edition that I haven't reviewed yet. Sorry about that. But I will post a link on this one. But what you do is I put a GoPro camera right here and just record the movement, how fast it goes, or at least so you can do the recording and see through the eyes of a Hot Wheel, you could say, or all the movements and just like in movies or in the video games when you zoom in and race. But anyways, that's what it is. Also, it says best for tracks, so I hope it does work best for tracks. I don't know how they do that, but anyways, it fits right in the racetrack. As long as you got nothing cover the walls. If you're doing like a tunnel or something, you gotta have some space around it. But that's how it is. You could just record all the movements and see in slow motion later. As of now, have a good day. Thank you for watching. Up until next time.